Hello angels. Well, received my PR package yesterday from Rose from Absolute Melt. So, let's see what's in it, shall we? I mean, look how this is packaged. Beautiful. I've been dying to try this boyfriend material. Absolutely smells like your boyfriend. Oh my god, God. I mean, look at the size of them. We have another one in Pixie Dust. That's a logo. Excuse the state of my hair, mate. I couldn't give a fuck. Fresh bedding. Rhubard Snapbar. Snapshell, I was going to say then. For God's sake. Rhubard&Custard Waffle. People call it a tart. Sherbert. Lemon sherbet. Sherbet lemon. However you want to say it. Now we have a box and a box and a box. Now we have another box. Now this is the Gemini collection. If you don't know, my star sign is Gemini. Beautiful. So we have a note. I love receiving these. Tasha, enjoy your melts. Thank you for being you, Rose. I like it when people go out the way and send you a note. And then this tells you what the clear quartz is for. Known as the master healer in the crystal kingdom, clear quartz is a stone of clarity, purity and high vibration. It amplifies thoughts, intentions and the energies of other crystals and can be programmed for any intention. Since Geminis tend to have many interests and passions and can bounce from one thing to the next with fluidity and mental agility. This is where clear quartz can help. Being a stone of focus, perception, versatility and clarity, it helps the cerebral Gemini keep a clear mind whilst complementing their adaptability. There you have it. The rose quartz. Let's take it out if it'll come out the bag. You can actually see what it looks like. Whoa, that was a catch. Butterfingers today. See? Clear quartz. Stunning. And then we have my all-time favourite scent. Oh, you can smell it through the packet. Rose and Wonderland. It's bigger than my face. It's heavy. It's huge. And last but not least, another waffle in Bahama Breeze. I'm dying to try this. What the fuck's going on with this? Like I said, I don't give a shit. Anyways. Thank you for the opportunity, Rose, and letting me join your business. Both of them, actually. Which I can't wait to receive the other package. She won't say what it is until I receive it. But yeah, received a nice little collection off you there, Rose. So I do appreciate it, guys. Please go and give it a follow on Instagram, TikTok. Give it a follow. Yeah, give it a follow. I've just said that. So I'll say it again. Give it a follow. And check out her website. Oh, God, I've slept funny. Yeah, you won't be disappointed. She's a lovely woman. So yeah, go and check it out, please. And I will see you all very soon. Thanks again, Rose, lovely.